Hey everybody, this is Susan, the Wandering Woodworker's wife, and what are we doing today? Well, Lee is trying to reorganize the back of the truck and the trailer and our storage boxes and stuff, because when you live tiny like we do, storage is at a premium and you have to be really careful about how you pack things and what you keep and what you don't keep. So this mess that I'm showing you is some stuff that he pulled out of the truck. And he pulled it out of the truck because we have this platform in the back. We took our back seat out probably 5 or 6 years ago to allow us to have more storage to do trade shows, and our products that we carry to the trade shows, they ride back here when they're completed, so we can put our storage tubs and stuff in there where everything is safe and sound. Now it's the same platform, which is an old commercial door. This thing is strong, and this finish on it is slick, so it's easy to slide things in and out. All he did today is that he made the legs longer to raise the platform so that we could get our knife sharpener, because we do knife sharpening at a lot of the shows that we're at, under the platform. And that allows him to take the toolbox, which I'll go on the other side and let you see, out of the trailer to alleviate some of the weight in the trailer and put it here in the back seat. Now what we've got under here, we have our battery charger, we have our shrink wrap machine, which we shrink wrap our puzzles and stuff when we ship them, and for like wholesale accounts, stores that carry them, they would rather have them shrink wrapped so they can display them easier. This is our bag that has our hydraulic jacks in it, and that's just some random crapola from Walmart, water and stuff like that, because he's kind of got the thing torn apart. So I'm going to walk around here and let you see the other side. There's Buster. Seems dark. Let me lighten it up so you can see. There he is. See the mountains? We're in Southern California. Down below Coachella, we're at the Joshua Tree National Forest, located near I-10. You can see the traffic there in the distance. There's the Mad Puzzler. And on this side, like I said, we have our toolbox and we have our knife sharpener. There we go. I don't know why the camera won't stay wide enough where you can see it. But we just have a standard Craftsman's toolbox. We have a Wicked Edge knife sharpener, which is one of the premium sharpeners on the market for higher end knives with the better steels in them.
And the toolbox slides this way so you can open the drawers up and everything.
But storage is at a premium, and like I said, we're constantly moving things around, trying to make things better, just for ease of use, and so that we can make the most of the space that we have. I'll give you another quick look around here at Joshua Tree. There's Buster at Joshua Tree. Anyway, guys, this is just a tip we wanted to show you as far as how we try to manage our daily lives with traveling and working and all that, and our personal stuff versus our work stuff that we have to keep on hand. And like I said, he's got a there's a saw. He's got to get this stuff straightened up so I can fix lunch in a few minutes. And I've got to figure out how to get all this in this box. This is an Irwin box that we bought a couple years ago. It was $200 at Lowe's. That has been the handiest box. We're moving our office supply stuff to this box, which consists of our sheets for our shows, our packing boxes, shipping boxes, our patterns, paperwork, copy paper, cardstock, other patterns. This is our shrink wrap rolls. We've got a diamond label. We got we're gonna put our regular printer in there. Our printer's been living on my nightstand, and we are constantly knocking water cups and stuff off and wetting the printer, so we want to get it away from the side of the bed before we really permanently damage it. But it should fit in here. This little box here we'll be able to carry this box into the shows, and it has a shelf. It's got legs that kick up that support the shelf. Has wheels. And at the show where we have electricity, we can print what we need to print. We can shrink wrap puzzles for if people are buying them for gifts, so that makes them easy to hand to somebody as a gift. But other than that, this is just a peek into our day. It's November 2019, and like I said, we're at Joshua Tree National Forest in Southern California. Thanks for watching. Take care.